week. Go! How many days are there in a week? Okay, 3 points for Team Silver. 3-0. Nahihirapan sila tumakbo. May pabuela yung takbo nila, sir, no? Okay, question. From caterpillar to blank. Go! From caterpillar to blank. Okay, 4 points for Team Silver. Si Mami paborito yung flower. From caterpillar to flower. Oo, yung dami kasi ni Mami panibulaklak. O, 4-0. Naku, 1 point na lang ako panalo na ang Team Silver. Question. Sleeping Beauty is a blank. Go! Sleeping Beauty is a blank.
Flowers.
Okay, panalo na po ang Team Silver. Hindi nyo ba lang pinagbigyan yung Team Diamond? Kahit isang puntos na. O, Team Silver, dito na po kayo sa harap. Siyempre, meron po kayong prizes. Ayan, Ate Princess, bigyan mo na sila ng prizes.